I am with...
Hi, I'm Amanda.
Today,
We're going to talk about
Pangasinan. Pangasinan is located in the Ilocos region or Region 1 on the western part of Luzon. It is along the Lingayen Gulf and the West Philippine Sea, making it known for its beautiful beaches and coastal areas. The province has a land area of around 5,451 square kilometers, one of the largest provinces in Luzon.
Hundred Islands National Park is one of the most famous tourist spots in Pangasinan. It has more than 100 small islands with clear and blue waters. Because of its beautiful views, the visitors can enjoy island hopping, snorkeling, and also taking pictures. It's a peaceful place where you can enjoy and the nature and relax away your stress. The second one is Bolinao Falls, which can be located at Bolinao. Bolinao Falls is a natural waterfall surrounded by trees and cool fresh water. Many people come here to jump, swim, and jump from the rocks or just rest in a shallow part of the falls. The place is quiet and relaxing, making it perfect for the family to enjoy. For the trips and nature, and from the people who is nature lovers, you can also go there to enjoy the place. So for the food of Pangasinan, one is pigar-pigar. Pigar-pigar is a popular street food in Pangasinan, especially in Dagupan City. It is made of thin slices of beef or corned beef coated and flavored full. People usually eat it with rice or as a pulutan. Night markets, you will see many stalls selling pigar-pigar because it's one of the local favorites of the locals there. And lastly, the most highlighted food at Pangasinan is the Gupan Bangus. Locals cook bangus in many ways: grilled, fried, spices. It is also used in a dish like bangus sisig and sinigang na bangus. The fish is known all over the Philippines because the Gupan produces some of the best quality bangus in the country.
The main source of living for many Pangasinenses includes fishing, salt drinking, and agriculture, especially rice and mango farming. In urban areas, tourism and commerce also provide livelihoods, especially in towns like Alaminos, Dagupan, and Lingayen. Pangasinan also celebrates colorful festival, and one of the most vibrant is the Pistay Dayat, or the Festival of the Sea. During this event, locals and visitors enjoy beach activities, parades, and cultural shows. A celebration of gratitude for the sea, which provides food, livelihood, and identity for the people of Pangasinan. Pangasinan's tourism has a lot of potential. The province promotes its natural beauty, its islands, beaches, and cultural traditions. But sustainability should be always a priority, especially in places like the Hundred Island and Bolinao, so this path stays clean and protected for the future. Overall, Pangasinan has strong identity, rich culture, and beautiful views with good management and community support.